Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special unboxing video to do today. You guys can check them out. Link will be down below. Hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. This is coming from Relife. Rebuild your life with this indoor cycling bike. Easy to set up. You might need 2 people just in case. You never know. But for the older folks, you might want to give them a hand and set it up for them. Pretty heavy, so but really cool to set up. Easy to set up. Here it is, guys. Look at that. Don't mind my dog bed and stuff over there. Well, we got the wheels down here, so it's easy to move around and you're inside your home gym. A nice black and red and white color scheme. And they got the stoppers here down at the bottom also, so it won't be slipping and sliding. And also right here is a seat, really comfy to sit in also. And down here sorry about it, just got done setting this up, so I'm kind of winded. You can move it, adjust it, and wherever you want to adjust it, all you gotta do is twist right here and then it'll lock into place. So same with the bottom for the seat. You can rise it up like so. Oops. Might take a couple times. Here we go. Yeah. Dang, almost. Here we go. Whoops. You guys saw that. Then you could adjust where you want it, high or low, all the way down. I'll put that later. Pedals, really cool pedals. Got the reflective right there. Water bottle holder, easy to install. And here's the handlebars, and they got the meter, shows you calories, the speed, timer, scan. And like I said, you could put a tablet there, watch videos, emergency stop for right there. But like I said, easy to set up. I did it in less than an hour, or maybe less. I didn't keep time, but really easy. Great manual, easy to read. And yeah, like I said, check out the other goodies they have to offer besides this item. But if you like this item, click that link, add it to your cart, check out, and they'll ship it to you fast, because this is not Amazon. This is Relife, whatever they use. I think it's FedEx or UPS. So, UPS. So they'll get this to you fast. But really cool. Like I said, I'll take my phone off because I don't want to drop it. Lease is almost up on this one, but I'll show you how easy it is to maneuver. You just gotta pick this up. Oops. 1 second. There we go. See? Got the rolling wheels on. And we go. Gotta remember to put the seat back on. But really cool, guys. Looking good. There we go. So I think that's about it. That's all I gotta show. Seat slide. We could show the wheel spin. Just hop on it, and then give it a good spin. Here we go. So, alright, YouTubers, definitely check them out. Relife, link will be down below. You guys be safe. Have a good night. See you guys soon.